Hello, fellow foodies. Today we're at Fry the Coop. And we are in Mount Prospect, Illinois. And I'm having trouble getting the phone to stay in one place. This is not my car, so I don't want to do too much to it. Anyway, as far as I know, the car has not been reported stolen yet. No, I mean, it's a loaner. Anyway, this is another taste test episode, and the fries are impressive so far. These are the seasoned fries. They're good. They're crispy. Not wimpy at all. You know I hate wimpy fries. So this place is a chain or franchise or something, a local thing. They've got like 5 different kinds of chicken sandwiches, and you can get them from mild to Insano hot. I got the hot. I should ask for a little sample of the Insano just to see how it is. I can usually handle the outrageously hot stuff, but I also usually have to go to the bathroom just right after, and that's no fun when you're driving, so I passed on that. Anyway, they've got a chicken sandwich on a donut, the glazed donut. They've got Nashville hot. I got the Chicago hot, which, hold on, let me do something here. Hold on. Ready? Here we go. The magic of modern science and videography. So this is the Chicago hot. It's got the Giardiniera on it. And since I'm in the Chicago area, there you are. I figured we should try Chicago style. I do love my Nashville hot. It's, I believe, pretty much the same. They just added the Giardiniera. They toasted the bun, which is always nice. It's good. That's really good. In fact, let me give you a view. That's nice, big chunk of chicken breast there. Perfectly cooked, juicy. It's hot. It's got a good heat in the afterburners. Based on that, pretty sure I could handle the next 2 steps up in heat. Actually, I know I could handle the Insano, but this is kind of perfect. And I hate to say this, it may be sacrilege. This may be better than Chick-fil-A. Then again, for the price, I could get a couple of Chick-fil-A's because they're not cheap here. Of course, Chicago, nothing's cheap. It's almost $17 for a chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink. That ain't cheap. That's expensive. Chicago, is expensive, and even McDonald's is going to cost you $10 for a McChicken these days. So the quality's there, the taste is there. I really like this. This is maybe a 5-star meal. It's a thumbs up. So I'm gonna finish this, and don't want you to have to watch me eat, but you can watch me eat a fry. These are nice fries. They also have chicken and waffles and chicken nuggets and other chicken related things. It's a winner. So and a really nice beer selection too. 4 craft beers on tap, and it's hard to pass up on a 3 Floyds or I forget the other fancy brands, but I'm trying to behave. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!